At first I was just a glimmer, a faint light like a spark. Then I began to grow in intensity as men and women learned to master my technology. After that, around the world, I made my way across the continents, achieving success after success, fostering collaborations and expanding my reach. I gained in innovation by harnessing natural daylight and even learning to promote well-being. Now, I'm shining and continuing to unite together a family that is still growing. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention why I know this story so well. It's because I lived it, because my name is Sylvania, and I've been lighting the path for 100 years.